Hey, man. We started working on a GM car today, man. I just wanted to, I don't know whoever else works on GM cars, but we do here sometimes. I just wanted to show everybody a list of the codes. Most common code you'll see is a 04 park brake switch is bad. That's the most common code we see. Sometimes we see the number 11 with the accelerator pedal. And I was just showing y'all a list of the codes, man. That way, if you're ever working on one, and you just pull this up and see what shows up, man. I'm gonna try to post some videos maybe twice a week. Y'all stay tuned, man. I'll try to post every time I can, man. Like I said, we work on GM cars too. If you're ever having problems, just let me know, man. I'll try to help you out the best I can. All right. One more code, one more shot of the same thing. All right, y'all stay tuned, man.